Hello everyone, this is Yogesh Muramkar. In this video, we will try to talk about in reality how engineers build AI agents. So now the very first one, all the steps in this entire flowchart are developed using Python. In order to build an agent, AI engineer uses this entire flowchart and develops all the agents with the help of Python programming. That's the first point. And now, for example, let's say an AI engineer wants to choose an LLM model. So now from here, he can choose LLM model with the help of API key. Okay. This API key is going to be from OpenAI or Amazon Bedrock or Grok, or maybe we can take it from OpenRouter. So these are the areas where you can select the model, and then you need to select the right architecture. It can be single agent, it can be multi-agent architecture, it can be hierarchical architecture, or it can be swarm agent. Now you can write these agents using LangGraph library or QAI or AutoGen. Now even when selecting the foundation model, this Python is specially coming from this Python is specially going to be done on LangChain library. We will be using LangChain and any of the agentic library like LangGraph, QAI or AutoGen. And the next one, we want to integrate tools. Okay, you see third step, we want to integrate tools and APIs. So to perform actions, the agent need to perform actions like web search, or it needs to run the Python code, or maybe to run the SQL command. So we need to integrate with what? APIs and tools. This is also written using Python. Next, you need to add memory and knowledge. So here comes short-term memory, another one going to be long-term memory. This long-term memory is called as RAG, retrieval augmented generation. Again, within this RAG also we have different types. So like you got hybrid RAG, agentic RAG, self RAG, corrective RAG. Different types of RAGs are available. And then we need to provide right amount of prompt description and roles. This particular step. So now here we use what? Prompt templates and prompt engineering. We will be doing zero shot prompt, few shot prompt, chain of thought prompt, self-corrective prompt. We can use them in prompt template. And next, we implement guardrails. Sixth step you can see. See, this prompt template, whatever I have discussed in the previous step, we can do it in Python again. This also can be done in Python. Even the guardrails also, they are written in Python. And some guardrails we can integrate them in prompt templates. And then we try to test the entire agent behavior, and if it is failing, again what we do is we iterate. Okay, we go and we try to iterate. We try to fine tune the entire process and try to find out. You see this particular arrow going to be going to the fifth step. We try to find how exactly we can improve the performance of the agent. So in reality, AI engineers build all these agents with the help of Python programming language. Or maybe they use, along with Python programming, they use LangGraph, LangChain, QAI, AutoGen libraries. And you need to be very good with Python programming to build the agents. It's not just annotate and make. You need to build it using Python. So that's it everyone. Thank you all of you.